I feel the need to be extra. Anywho. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I decided to do a Q&A and you guys will also be getting ready with me. So I have a couple questions that people ask me often. They tend to just message me on my makeup page or my personal page and they ask me these questions. So I'm just thinking that it would be nice if I get ready with you guys and I also answer those questions. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going on a date today. Just stay tuned, don't skip. And I'm just trying to moisturize my face. Don't skip, you're gonna see who my date is. So yeah. For the first question, it says, how did you get into makeup? Okay. To be very honest, I didn't see it coming. I'm as shocked as the people that knew me when I was way younger. I used to be a very big tomboy and I didn't really see myself going into anything that has to do with beauty or makeup or fashion. Okay, maybe fashion. I didn't really do those things at that time. But it all started when I finished secondary school. So I was at home for about 2 years. I wasn't doing anything. So at this point, I just felt I've always been somebody that kind of fancies handwork. So I was just like, I can't just be wasting away these 2 years like this. And I kind of needed a source of income for myself. So I decided, all right, if there's anything I'm going to do, the closest place to my house was a makeup store, and the woman did teach makeup. And then people around my mom was like, allow Kikele makeup now, at least, she will have something, I was just like, all right. At first I was like, all right, cool, because I never really did makeup and I never had makeup on. I think, okay, on my graduation in secondary school, there was this makeup. That's the first time I had a full makeup on. God, I was looking like a masquerade. I can't afford to show you guys that, but for real, I was just like, all right, I think I should actually learn this makeup thing and just try to, just have fun with it. Now, along the line, when I started learning, I fell truly in love with it. And it was more like, as I was learning, I was good at it. Like, I could pick up things fast and I really wanted to, I wasn't just relying on what my boss was teaching me. As at that time, I was really just going all out, trying to get makeup looks on Instagram to recreate and stuff like that. And it was around 2018, 2017. I can't really remember, but yeah, it was around that time. So like, makeup wasn't bad, but really, the makeup I was learning was obviously I wasn't this good then, so but as at that time it was nice, I was doing the most and it looked really nice and I liked it. So then I came to school, I came to university, I came to Ukraine, and to be very honest, I stopped doing makeup and I didn't lose interest, but it was more like I wasn't practicing it, so I sucked at it again. But then it wasn't like I sucked at it and I wanted to drop it. I suck at it and I'm just going to try to get better again. And yeah, a constant practice, I had to unlearn some things because makeup is evolving. So you have to unlearn, learn, relearn, and add to what you know, remove, subtract from what you used to know and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how it has been. And to be very honest, I think people can notice the growth, and I also can, because I can. I've come a long way with makeup. It's been, it's been a journey. Anyway, yeah. So that's that on that. I got into makeup after, it was like the break after my secondary school, from before I came to university. That little gap, I got into makeup and then I fell truly in love with it. And since then, I've been practicing. Yeah. So the next question says, what made you start makeup on YouTube? For real, honestly speaking, I think my YouTube channel is like supposed to be about me, But because of the stage I am in life, I can't fully put up everything that I want to put up now. Like I can't put everything about me that I genuinely want to put up now. So yeah, and makeup is a part of me, so I'm just like showing more of that makeup part of me more often. I don't know if that makes sense, but I know you should understand. I trust you guys. So yeah, that's just it. And I started putting, because obviously it's a part of me, so I decided to just put that artistic part of me out there. And maybe later in future, I've always had this in mind, I'm going to have my makeup brand Kiki, maybe an eyeshadow palette, you know, maybe from there we'll grow, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's just it. So, you know, I'm trying to create like a platform so that I don't come one day with a makeup brand and you don't even know you don't even know the, how do I put it, the backstory to it. You don't even know that I have interest in makeup. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, yeah, but that's what I'm trying to say. So you guys already know that I do makeup. So if I bring out a makeup brand, I know you guys know I'll give you guys the best and you're gonna buy. Anyway, so I'm going for a very nude look today. I don't exactly have anything in mind, but yeah, just something simple. Moving on, the next question is, how did you grow your hair? Oh yeah, that's true. I cut my hair last year, but then I didn't start making it until 6 months ago. It was low. I kept it low for like 6 months. So the length of my hair now is like 6 months of growing it, yeah. And I didn't really do anything. I didn't do anything serious. I just think I don't have extremely long hair, but I just think it's gene. Each time I cut my hair, it tends to grow. Yeah, I've always been that girl that just decide to cut her hair any day. So yeah, it tends to grow back, and I think that's why it grew fast. Maybe, yeah, I don't really have an explanation to that. But then I use Cantu products. So maybe that helps. I don't know. I use Cantu products. I don't use anyhow things on my hair. The next question says, how do you edit your videos? I think I'm talking too much. I should actually get going with my makeup. I want to go into my skin work. Today I'm going to be using my Fit Me Maybelline in shade 338. Okay, so how do you edit your videos? I actually use this app, Premiere Pro. That's how I edit my videos. And I don't think my videos have gotten to that point to get that question, but I'm grateful, you know, it means I'm trying. I mean, what can I say? Yeah, I use Premiere Pro, and yeah, it's been a lot of learning because, you know, I have school, and trying to learn how to edit videos and give you guys top-notch quality has also been a part of the journey. Okay, the next big question is, how has YouTube journey been for you? Okay, the journey has been ups and downs. I mean, what am I meant to say? Like, it's been a lot of emotions. It's been a mixture of feelings. I mean, I'm excited that I started the YouTube channel, but at some point, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think this will also give answer to one of the questions above, but it says, the what I'm going to say is, to be very honest, I decided to do more makeup on my channel because it kind of, how do I put it? It kind of helps me not to do too much, because like I wasn't in the right state of mind to come here and be laughing with you guys and, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, I invite everybody to my house, let's do this, let's do that. I wasn't about to start doing that because, honestly speaking, it was a phase for me. So I just needed something that I could do alone. So it was more of like, I was keeping the channel moving. At some point it was more of surviving, like keeping the channel surviving, and yeah, also just putting out content. Do you get me? So I think that's why at some point I had so much makeup, how do I put it, videos on my channel. But yeah, I'm still gonna be putting makeup videos on my channel because it's a part of me, obviously. But I mean, Like I'm just going to be doing more vlogs and a bit more about me now. Do you get me? I know you guys are tired because a lot of people message me, a lot of people call me, oh my gosh, why don't you do all those your fun videos, invite people, talk about something, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna give you guys that again. So yeah, for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using a brown shade. I mean, like, no stress, just something, you know what I mean, something smooth and easy. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eyes. I just did something mild, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, highlight the parts of my face I want to highlight. It's okay. Next question says, how did you grow your YouTube channel? To be honest, my YouTube channel has not even grown. Because I feel like at some point, if I had been more consistent with the type of content I was giving out, I would have gone a bit far from where I am now. But nevertheless, no pressure. I mean, like, no pressure. I need to send. I mean, I'm just taking my time. When it's time for me to glow and grow, I will. But for me now, I just think the subscribers that I've gotten is from consistency, one, and I'm not the most consistent, but I mean, like, the little times that I've been giving back to back, I mean, I've gotten a couple subscribers from there, and I've also gotten from sharing my videos, obviously, and giving nice content, quality content. I mean, when people see that, okay, what you're giving out is nice, they'll subscribe. You don't have to force it. I mean, next question is, what advice would you give to your younger self? This question. I mean, what advice would I give to my younger self? There'll be a lot because, you know, I wish I knew a lot of things, but no time for regrets. So I'll say, I wish I actually took God seriously, more seriously when I was younger. I mean, like when I was way young, I'm still very young, but I mean, like, I wish I held on to God a lot more and I depended on Him for everything. That's basically, because I feel like if I took God more seriously, I mean, I wouldn't have made other mistakes. So that's just it in a nutshell. You know, for me to start outlining, I wish I did this, I wish I did that, you know. Yeah, that's that. But nevertheless, I still don't regret my life. I still don't regret the experiences, because I feel like experience makes you. Is there experiences? No, I don't think so. Doesn't sound right. So I think the experience that you have in life is what really makes you. Do you get what I mean? So I don't feel bad. I don't feel less. I don't feel some type of way that I made certain mistakes. So yeah, I'm happy. But if the God factor was really, I took God more seriously. I mean, like, I won't be here. I won't be your mate. You know what I mean? I'm just messing around. Okay, so what's the next question? So let me take this moment to apologize for my mirror. I know it's not fine. I know all of you are just looking at, what's this girl carrying on? Anyway, my fancy mirror is faulty, so I'm just using a mirror from a very old palette. So you're gonna have to forgive me for that. Anyway, I'm loving what this look is giving. Okay. Anyway, the vibe I'm going for today is like rich auntie vibe. You know what I mean? Like the proper rich auntie. I mean, I just love me because I can kind of emit any vibe. I mean, I can give you the tomboy, I can give you the girly girl, I can give you, and I don't feel like I'm being a different person. It's just me. I just can be how I feel. Do you get what I mean? I just can be different people. I mean, not different people. Maybe that's not what it's supposed to be. I can just be different things, and that's my flex. I mean, yeah, so I'm on my lip, and oh my god, I love this look. I mean, my date has got to appreciate this beauty. You know what I mean? Anywho, I think that's all the questions we are going to be answering today, because I'm almost done with my makeup and I just want to hurry up. Hasting up. Just what I say, hasting up. I don't know what usually goes through your head, Sha. There's a lot of things going on. But anyway, Sha, I'm just going to hasten up and show you guys my outfit, and I'll show you guys my date when I get there. Okay? Hopefully I get nice pictures, you know what I mean? I don't like taking pictures. I'm maybe shy. Yeah. Guys, we've come to the end of this look. Anyway, I love it. I decided to use a very dramatic lashes because I'm on braids, and you know, I kind of just feel like I feel the need to be extra. Anywho, so I'm just going to let down my hair. I took out the bandana, my edges slid a bit. I don't know, but whichever way, we're going to have to take it like that. Anyway, I'm just going to wear my outfit, show you guys my outfit. But if you've watched to this point, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I show you my outfit and my date. Okay, sweetheart. Okay. But anyway, Sha, I'm going to show you guys full dress when I probably get to the location, you get what I mean? And yeah, just so you guys see the full rich auntie vibe, you know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.